Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to work a single crochet, chain one, double crochet all into the same stitch and then repeat that over the rows. So I've had some questions about how to do this with my Flagstone blanket, which is why you'll see the bean stitch here. The Flagstone blanket has a section of bean stitch and then it has a section that uses the single crochet, double crochet combo. So I just figured I would start with this, but you can really use this stitch and work it into any stitch that you have. So first thing I'm going to do is chain two. Now, if you're looking at this with a pattern that you have, follow the instructions for the beginning and ending stitches and just use this as a guide for the single crochet, double crochet combo. So my pattern calls for a chain two, which is going to count as a half double crochet. And then it's a single crochet, chain one, double crochet into the bean stitch. So now this is for the bean stitch, but again, you can do this into whatever stitch you have. This is the half double crochet, this is the chain one, this back here is actually the bean stitch, and it's gonna look a little weird until we get it set up. It's gonna look like it has a space there, but it's okay. So we're gonna do a single crochet, chain one, and then we're going to work another single crochet into that same spot. Now we're going to skip this. This is actually the chain one space. Even though it's tighter, it's actually the chain one space, and we're skipping this. And then we're going to work a single crochet, chain one, double crochet into the next bean stitch. Whatever stitch you have there, just work it into that stitch. And then skip one, and then single crochet, chain one, double crochet, sorry about that. And then for this last stitch, again, whatever you have for your pattern that you are working, that's what you're gonna follow. So for this, I needed to make sure I had the right number or the right height of the stitches and everything else. So what I did was I did a half double crochet here. Okay, so that's what the first row looks like, and you have to work it into whatever stitches your pattern is calling for you to work it into. So now I'm going to chain one, and now this is where you're really setting up the row for the single crochet, chain one, double crochet. So now I'm going to, usually there will be a stitch here, single crochet, whatever your pattern calls for. This will be the double crochet, we'll have a double crochet, we'll have the chain one space, and then we'll have the single crochet. So I'm going to work into this chain space. So I'm going to do single crochet, chain one, double crochet, all into that chain space. Okay, so there's the chain space. And we're going to skip the single crochet, skip the double crochet, and then work the same thing into the next chain space. So single crochet, chain one, double crochet, and then we're going to do that again. Skip the single crochet, skip the double crochet, work into the chain one space. And then just for this pattern, I'm going to, for right now, single crochet into this last stitch, just so we can get this set up. So now you're starting to see a little bit of the pattern here. If you forget that, you can see the pattern forming. So now we're going to chain one, single crochet, and then we're going to skip the double, and we're going to chain one, we're going to single crochet, chain one, double crochet into the chain space. We're going to skip the single, skip the double, and then we're going to single crochet, chain one, double crochet, and then we're going to skip the single, skip the double, and do it one more time. And that is how you work a single crochet, chain one, double crochet, all into the same chain. This is Christine from Ambassador Crochet. Thank you for watching.